Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable sound for fundraiser notifications on the Facebook app when using your PC. If you've been missing important updates or want to make sure you hear alerts instantly, this quick setting will help you stay on top of every fundraiser activity. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner and click on the notifications icon. This is where all your recent alerts and updates appear. After opening your notifications panel, find the three dots icon. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control how and when Facebook sends you alerts. Now scroll down through the list of notification categories until you find Fundraisers. Click on it to open the specific settings for fundraiser notifications. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook and make sure it is turned on. Enabling this ensures that you receive updates directly within Facebook whenever there's activity related to fundraisers you follow or support. If you also want to hear a sound when these notifications come in, make sure your overall notification sound settings on Facebook and your PC are enabled. This combination ensures you never miss an important update again. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sound for fundraiser notifications on Facebook using your PC. It's a simple setting, but it makes a big difference in staying informed and engaged. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and guides to get the most out of your apps.